So now comes the fourth sequence in this controlling sequence, where the heart is overacting on the lungs, which is the fire overacting on the metal. So what is heart? Heart is the organ of joy. Emotion of heart is joy. And what is the emotion of lungs, which is grief, sadness? So imagine when you don't have joy, you're kind of getting all the grief, sadness. So what does it mean on the clinical level? The heart has the, which is the fire element. The heart is drying up the lung fluid. All right. So what are you getting? You're getting lumps in your heart. You're getting oppression in your breathing. You have tightness around your chest. Right. You cannot swallow anything. You feel dry cough. There's dryness in the body. And what does lung manifest into? Lung manifests into, number one, skin. The mucus lung is responsible for. Body hair lung is responsible for. And last but not the least, muscles. All right, muscles, bone, kidney, muscles, lung, and your blood vessels. Right. So what is lung doing? So lung is now getting dried up. That emotion. So somebody who is in long period of sad grieveness due to breakup in relation, divorces, you can see lumps on these happening in women's breast, which can be benign, malignant. Right? These are the manifestation when somebody, their menstrual systems will get totally disrupted. So no joy, overacting on grief and sadness, that takes another role. So this is the fourth sequence in this controlling sequence. Now let's come to the fifth one.